Hey friends, welcome back again to this new video. Tutorial with OSP Pro. Now members, if you happen not yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, I advise you, if this is your first time to watch my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always get a chance to get the best with me. Each time I post a video, you'll always be notified. So I'm just OSP Pro. Don't forget that you can always get a chance to do it with me. Now here I happen to say in this video we're going to be looking on tool. If it's your first time to watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment below. Now we happen now to know how to create up a table. So I want to show you guys in this video how to insert data into a SQLite3, inserting data to SQLite3. So I'm going to just move this comment, creating table operator previous that we did previously. So I'm going to simply see that, and I leave our DB connection open so that our DB is open, created and it's open. So DB open, just like that. Remember, our database has to be open. Remember, we didn't put a command to close. So how do you insert data? Remember, our table is actually comprising of ID, don't forget name, and also don't forget it's comprising of course. So how do you do that here? To maybe inserting data to SQLite table. How do you do that? So simply do that. Extend again the connection that we are going to be using to create or to pick one as the table, inserting the data. So I'll simply say after doing that, we need to insert the data now. So I'll simply say insert into our table, which is called student underscore info. That's our table name, and this time around, what are the parameters or the columns or the tables that we have to insert data to? We have the tables, we have the ID, the field, the columns. We have ID, we have name, and we have course. That's the fields we are going to insert data to. So having known that, so here I'm going to just I'm going to just do that for now. So here I'm going to give that kind of stuff to you guys to understand what I'm giving. We have this first name that since I'm going down, I'm giving that kind of thing, that backslash to go down. Now here we have the following. We have to insert the values, maybe values, whereby this time around the first one is ID1, and then someone's name. You can always use the single quote there, like maybe name, maybe my name is called OSP Pro, and the course I did, actually I did computer science. Yeah, computer science. I still remember that, I hope so. Now, doing that course, or whatever thing you've done there, so what are we going to do next? We need now to do one and close that. Remember, I open up here, and I have to close it here. So if you want to close everything around there, what do you need to do? Remember, this is it. If I take you back here, I open up there, I've taken up one as yes, single quote, not double. So open up there, give this permit of yours. So this one does not have a code. Oops. Sorry, that's it. Computer science, good. OSP Pro, good. So to execute this code, you can execute the code by simply saying commit. Remember, to omit, you simply give us a chance to do it. But if you want to insert more data, okay, let me just simply say you want to end there. I will simply say con.one as commit. So if I simply say dot commit, it will give us a chance to insert that data to the database, whereby the records will be record created successfully. Simply, you get the record will be stored, created, or record added successfully, or whatever thing. But now this is going to store only one person. But if you want to take more, you can do this. Remember, with the Python, you have chance. You can either give semicolon there, you can either ignore. You get? And two, that's what I can say for now. So if you want to insert more, just copy that same code. I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to paste it there. So let me just differentiate them a little bit. Let me insert at least 4 of them. Now remember, I didn't put my ID to be auto increment. So I will need to change this manually. So you guys, that's what I want you guys to know. So that just change this name to maybe just going to change my name to put David. This one did computer, maybe engineering, whatever. Just change this one to maybe Bernard or whatever. We just change this one to maybe Faith, whatever. Computer science, this one did information technology. Information tech. Now remember, we did have something called a meet here, which will give us a chance. So when you happen to run our program, it should get something into our database. So how do you do that? You just go back again and try to click on run. Hope there's no error about that. So I think you can see it's telling us the record added successfully. That implies in simple term our parameters and condition given in here is verified to be true, and that's why we got a chance to have all the data. That implies right now, if you also check back on our record, we should at least have some few things added there, like poop. So initially we had only one, now we have 12 KBs. That implies that there's some more data added into our MySQL database. So that's it for now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for this video. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how do you select data from SQLite table database. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please don't leave me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.